Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I am so excited today. It's just like Christmas Day. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my Fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. If you are new here, my name is Culture and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. I would love it if you could subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Now let's see what's inside my Spring Fabfitfun box for 2019. This one is a huge box, and if you haven't been watching any other unboxings, Fabfitfun has now allowed their members to do a lot of customization with their boxes, so you can kind of pick and choose what you want to see in your box. The big reveal, here is everything on the inside. So here's the magazine. Has all the information about the products, tips on how to use them, pricing, and everything like that. So potentially in their spring boxes, you could have anywhere from $226.99 up to $314 in value. If you've never subscribed to Fabfitfun, I will leave my discount code down below so you can get $10 off of either your first box or anything that you purchase for the first time on Fabfitfun. I love that so many of you guys have taken advantage of my $10 off code, and in return, I want to do a giveaway. So I am trying to hash out how I want to do this giveaway. I was thinking about just giving a Fabfitfun box away to one of you, which would be amazing, but I want to make sure I generate enough hype about it. So if you guys could please give this video a thumbs up, that way I know that that is something that you guys are very excited in receiving, an actual Fabfitfun seasonal box gifted to you from me as a way of showing my gratitude for watching my Fabfitfun unboxing, supporting my channel. So I just want to say thank you. So once again, if you can give this video a thumbs up, that way I know that you guys are really excited about that and I can gear up for that for the next unboxing coming up. So thank you guys again, and now let's get on to this video. Woohoo! Okay, so first thing is this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It says lock-in makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. Finely milled for light-weighted application and ultra blendability. Smooth the powder over concealer and finished makeup looks for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Oh yeah, it's so super soft. Oh, I remember picking this. Okay, so this is by Giada. It says Giadzi, and in our new kitchen, it's gonna look amazing. Look at how pretty these are. This spring, Giada brings her Italian flair to Fabfitfun with a set of copper-plated measuring spoons from her new lifestyle platform, Giadzi.com. Okay, so this was another thing that I chose. This is Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. So it has a little handle here, dry or wet, scrub and repeat. Partners well with your favorite scrub or wash, or stands alone for dry brushing. It stimulates circulation. This is made with beechwood, 100% natural bristles, and the nodules are synthetic rubber. So up next, this is a muumuu. It's a robe, and it's by Show Me Your Muumuu, Brie Robe Garden of Blooms. It is on the shorter side, but I think this is also something that you can just take on vacation and wear to the pool. Quite lightweight. You know, you can get ready in this at home, when you get out of the shower, or when you get up in the morning. And like I said again, you can also just take it on vacation. Okay, next up, these are what I am so excited about. So one of the selections you can make were between two pairs of sunglasses and something else, or a mystery item. And I obviously chose the Quays Sunglasses, the aviator style. And these are just the straight up black ones. I was thrilled when I saw this as a selection, and I couldn't believe my eyes, and I quickly hit to select these instead of the other ones because I just love, love, love these sunglasses. And it comes with this really nice case because it has this pocket that pops open and you slip it in there. So this is Way Leave-In Conditioner, and it just says to spray this on damp hair prior to brushing and using your hairstyling tools for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. Okay, at first it didn't smell good, but now it does. Probably shouldn't be spraying it on dry hair, but oh well. Ooh, hey, I've had this before. Okay, so this is Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Drop the bags and everything that comes with them. Formulated with a biomimetic film matrix, technology, peptides, and botanical extracts to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles for a rested, youthful look around the eyes. So this is, God, this is such pretty packaging. Look at this. Okay, so this is Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and this is an exfoliant. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. This is by Mana Kadar. Now let's open her up. You guys, this smells heavenly. Okay, you guys, so that is it for inside my FabFitFun box. So now I'm going to show you the extras that I bought to get delivered with my FabFitFun box. Let's start off with this WELLTHY Nutriceuticals Sweat Fat Burner and Thermogenic. It says here, take 2 capsules with a meal and at least 8 ounces of water for complete wellness. Nighttime fat burner and sleep aid to cleanse, gentle daily full body detox to revive adrenal gland and cortisol support. So I'm not quite sure, you know, if this kind of stuff even works. There's 60 veggie caps in here, so I'll take it for a couple months and see if it makes any difference at all. The next thing I got is this Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Oil Ylang Ylang Energizing Deodorant. This is infused with organic coconut oil and it protects you from odor, while the floral Ylang Ylang extract leaves an electrifying scent. Okay, so the next thing that I got, which I am so super excited about, is this Revite Brow by Athena Cosmetics. This is supposed to be an eyebrow conditioner that helps you grow your eyebrows hairs. And I looked up some reviews on this before I bought it, and some of the before and after photos were really incredible, so I had to give it a try. This was Best of Beauty Allure winner in 2017. If this is going to give me the same results that I saw online, wow. Okay, so next I got this Smile Sciences RX Strength Teeth Whitening Pen. And just like the other things, I went ahead and looked online to see if I could find any results. The results were quite startling, so I was very excited to try and get my hands on these. It's nice because you can just paint these on your teeth and not have to use any trays or any other equipment, and supposedly it's really quick. Be great if you're going out for a night and you just want whiter teeth instantly for a girls' night or date night or whatever. You just paint this on, then you have whiter teeth. So we'll see. I'll give it a try. I'll give you an update. If you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me there because I do a lot of updates, product reviews, really quick ones on my Instagram and Insta stories. So be sure to check that out. And then next thing I got is a brand new pair of tweezers. I know about this brand. It's called $1 Billion Brows. I don't really tweeze my eyebrows or anything like that, but I do have a couple strays through here or through here, and you have to have a very good pair of tweezers to get those little suckers out. Okay, and lastly, for the add-on that I am the most excited about is this NUFACE Facial Toning Kit. Natural, non-invasive solution for aging skin. It says refreshed. They did send me an email saying that this product was purchased and then returned for whatever reason. It has been refreshed, so it's like new, and it comes with a gel primer that you're supposed to use solely with this product here. So if you are curious about this little device, it says here, why microcurrent? It says, as we age, our body's natural current begins to slow down like our metabolism, leading to sagging skin, loss of contour, and increased wrinkles. And so this mimics and gently re-energizes this current to help improve contour, tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know if it works. I don't feel like I need to have more toning in my face structure, really, but I was thinking, you know, any device that's going to prevent aging should be given a try. So I figured 5 minutes a day with this FDA cleared device to hopefully have more beautiful, youthful looking skin. So I'm going to give this bad boy a try, and I will report back to you guys if it makes any difference, how to use the machine, etc., etc. So a lot of stuff to come out from this video, some updates, some reviews, and you know, any differences in any of these products, if you should buy them for yourself. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and also if you're looking to get your first box and you want $10 off, make sure you look down below and click that link, and it'll bring you right to Fabfitfun's website to get that discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!